Alright, well, not sure if you can see the end of the bubble in the fuel line there, but the Enjomor ran for about 45 minutes on the first setting when I got it running, and then it ran another 20-30 minutes here, so it was over an hour on that tank of fuel, which is real nice, and it pulled all the way around until there's a couple big bubbles in the fuel line here, so it draws really nicely in this setup. And it's running, I got my RPM meter out, and it's running in the 1,000 to 1,500 RPM band now, so it's, I think, running a little faster than it was before, but I don't know if that's today or I just had it adjust a little differently. But yeah, once all those little modifications are done and my let's see here, just gonna lift this up. You can see the doubt anybody can see that for nothing, but the spot where I put that shoe in on the end of the push rod here is looking good. So yeah, real nice setup now. I just am going to find a switch to put a switch on the battery box, and we'll do a few other, tiny associated cosmetic modifications, I think. But otherwise, it's real nice.